Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new commercial ice maker units. Okay, brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now we're looking here at a 350 pound ice maker unit. We obviously have the head, we have the whole thing together. We got the head, and then we got over here on the bottom where it will dispense the ice. Okay, as you can see here in the front, this piece on the bottom dispenses the ice for you. So if you're looking to use cups or maybe just take out a lot of ice, you can do that right here. It's an ice dispenser. Okay, so now let's go ahead and measure this unit out for you. Starting with the length, you're going to be looking at an overall length of 22 inches. From front to back, the unit measures 31 inches. And the overall height will be 76 inches high. Okay, now the unit has legs, so you can see them on the bottom. Now I also want to just measure the head part here. The height on that is going to be 22 inches. Front to back, it'll be 23 and a half. Length 22 and a half as well. Okay, so that's going to be the measurements for this ice maker. As I mentioned, it's a 350 pound ice maker, and you can it has ice dispenser on the bottom as well. Okay, so that's going to be front for this ice maker. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and show you the side of the unit, and on the side here is where you're going to be able to locate your specs. You got the model, you got certification as well for this ice maker unit. It's all going to be located right here. The unit does run on 115 volt. As we can see here in the back, we have a plug, standard US plug. Also, we got connections here for the ice water inlet outlet. We got two plugs for each section of this ice maker. Okay, so you see there's one on the top, there's one on the bottom. You also have your filters over here on the side. Lastly, we have our control here, control area. This is where you can turn the unit on and off, clean the unit, control the thickness. That's all going to be located on the side of this unit, and that's going to be a little demonstration for this 350 pound commercial ice maker unit. Now, if you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this unit. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.